So the first one that I picked up for her is Hi everyone, it is Chanel with Color.mi.stylish and I am back this week with a new video. I will be doing a unboxing of some handbags that I recently picked up. So if you are new, thank you so much for joining me. I upload videos every week, everything from a sprinkling of home decor, fashion, and skincare, which I absolutely love sharing with you guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I love having you guys here. So this week I am going to be kind of showing you guys two bags that I picked up. So we are back in Oregon for the summer, and of course I'm getting all of the shopping that I've been wanting to do done. So I picked up something for myself and also something for my daughter for her upcoming birthday. I can't believe it, she's gonna be 16, it's insane. And something for my early birthday. I guess that is also coming up next month, but I wanted to pick up something and a couple more things, as you will see in upcoming videos for myself. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see from these gigantic bags, and I've got this one over here. So just quick story time. I just stopped by the Micheal store. I knew I wanted to kind of pick up some things for myself. I'm always looking for just different accessories. Actually, what I had in my mind was to pick up just like a bum bag or a waist belt bag, whatever you want to call it. I was just kind of looking for something a little bit more with leather detail, or just, you know, gold hardware, silver hardware. I wasn't sure if I wanted it to have logos on it or anything else. So I did see a couple of things, but it wasn't something that grabbed my eye. And so just to kind of start, I knew that I also wanted to pick up something for my daughter. So for her, she is a little bit more on the edgier side. She can be sometimes a tomboy. She's just more outgoing and on the go, things like that. So I knew just a traditional, what she does love, you know, just a traditional handbag is not something that she was probably looking for at the moment, or she likes to kind of pick those things out herself just because she has her own style and it just depends on what she's going to be wearing. So I just knew I was going to go with the safe bet just because we're always traveling. I wanted to kind of pick up something that could just be on the go and would fit her style. She can throw a bunch of stuff in it and not have to really worry about it too much if she just kind of, you know, just throws it off to the side or whatever. So this is the first one that I picked up. So with that style, what do you guys think I would probably get her? Leave your comments down below if after I reveal if this is something that would also work for you or your lifestyle, or if this is even the style of bag that you normally wear on a daily basis, or if it's just your style in general. So let's go ahead with the first reveal. So the first one that I picked up for her is, if you can kind of guess, it is a backpack. So I knew I kind of wanted to just, again, get her something that was going to be just a little bit more her style. I loved the style of this one particularly because it was just cool. It just kind of reminded me of like graffiti a little bit, nothing too much, but it just was a little bit louder, and I know she loves just art. She's a very artsy person, so I wanted to kind of just pick up something like that for her. But again, it just had more of, you know, the comfortable straps, things like that. I was kind of just debating if I was going to go, you know, onto Fashion File and maybe get her what is it, the palm or this, what, I can't remember the name, sorry, but it's from Louis Vuitton, but it has like smaller straps. She's turning 16, so I wanted it to be something really special, so I wasn't, you know, afraid of just like spending a little bit more, but at the same time, I just knew how she kind of carries her bag, especially for traveling, that this would be a much better option for her. And so this one, it retailed for $5.48, and I picked this up at the outlet. So I got, I think it was about 40%, no, maybe about 30% off of this one. So it just came up to a really good price, and I was really super happy with that. But it just has like really cool zippers, and I'll just do like close-ups, things like that. But I can kind of just show you guys a mod shot of this and just how it looks. So I thought this was really cute, and it fits on the back really nice. It's very comfortable, and it just kind of sits at a really nice spot on the waist. So it's not anything too bulky, but it's also not something where you're like, can I even put anything in here? So again, I will show you guys some close-ups of this one. And it just, inside, it has tons of room. Like, it has ample storage. So I'm really happy to kind of gift this one to her. So right now it's in hiding because I'm not going to gift it just yet. She's got like 2 more weeks before her birthday. And so, yeah, I'm just going to be picking up a couple more things. And I think what will be really fun is to kind of just, you know, pick up some other things that were on her list or that me and her dad wanted to get her, and just kind of actually stick it inside. So when she starts like roughing through, you know, or just kind of going through the backpack just to kind of like discover her for herself and pulling out tissue paper, I think it'd be fun for her to continuously keep pulling out things for her birthday just as an added surprise. So I like things like that. I am an avid, like, you know, surpriser for people. That is just where I find my joy. I love, you know, just shopping, buying things, and also just surprising people. That is like one of my favorite things. And then I like this as well because it does have the zipper in the front. And again, you can put a lot of things. Sorry, it's like hard to do this with just one hand. But it just has a really nice sturdy zipper in the front, and so you can kind of just stick a lot of stuff in there. It's full of tissue paper right now, but yeah, it's really nice. It doesn't have any feet at the bottom, but with the canvas, I really like this because it's a little bit more sturdy. Again, teenagers tend to just kind of throw things around, so I thought that was really nice. And then it has like the softer fabric towards the back here as well, and then the straps are really nice and comfortable and thick, so when we're just kind of trotting through the airport, this will be a really good thing for her to wear. And if she doesn't like it, I will just steal it right back. But is this something that you guys guess? Again, leave your comments down below if this is something that you guys would wear, if you guys think it will be a good gift for a teenager. Let me know. I still have time to change. But I think it'll be okay. But I love hearing you guys' thoughts, your opinions, things like that. So, yep, that being said, let's go ahead and check out the next thing that I picked up. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up, this was definitely for me. Again, because we travel so much, either in Mexico, overseas to different places, or just back to the States where home is, I need to carry things, my electronics, iPads, my kids' electronics, if, you know, they just have a little bit too much on them, or just water, snacks, things like that. You know, it's always going to be the mom bag. No matter how old they get, they always need something that they forgot at home. So I love bigger bags for that reason, because I can just throw a lot of things in it. So the one that I picked up, and it was one of the bags that I've been wanting to get, that I was looking at from Christian Dior. And I think you guys kind of know, and if you know, leave your comment down below what bag I'm talking about. It's super popular right now. It could hold a lot of things. I think we all know it is the book tote. And so I was kind of eyeing that. I really liked it, but at the same time, I like to be cost effective as well. So if I do see something that's pretty similar, can hold a lot, but still looks very chic, I am going to go for that as well. So the one that I picked up for myself is this one. Okay, I know these bags are like huge, and of course I will do some close-ups and things like that, again, because I am filming from my phone and it's kind of turned around. Things are going to be, you know, going to have that like mirrored effect, but I will do close-ups just so you can kind of see the true look of the bag and things like that, and also inside. But this is the Micheal Kors, and it is the Mirella, sorry, I'm always butchering things, but the Mirella tote, and this one is in the canvas. So I fell in love with this one because, as you guys know, and I will kind of link a picture or something just to kind of show you something similar, but I'm trying to think, who was it? Oh my gosh, I think I'm Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent, I think it was Yves Saint Laurent, had their book tote. And if I'm butchering that, I will put the right thing right here. I'm just trying to forget, or I'm starting to forget the name that I had in my head as to who else had something pretty similar, but I just loved how classy this looked. So I'm just gonna kind of give you guys just a quick view. And again, I will insert just some other shots that are more close up so you can kind of see the details, things like that. But I just loved how classy this looked. I loved the canvas, you know, just the khaki with the black trim and the handles, things like that. It also has the leather at the bottom, no feet, but I do like this because I can just, you know, it will get scratched at some point, I know that, but that's okay. But I needed something that was just gonna be large enough, you know, just to travel with. So it still has like the plastic tag thing here, and I need to cut that. But I loved this little lock, and it has like, you know, just like the detail. Sorry, I'm just gonna kind of get a little bit closer, but it has like the little detail that they have for the MK, and that's just kind of hidden in here. But I just loved the detail of all of this with the leather, and it has it on the other side as well. And then it has a little bit of the gold hardware. So this was just exciting because I can put a lot of stuff in here. Like, it can hold a ton. So I'm really excited just to carry this when we travel, just because I can put everything that I need in here. So yeah, let me show you some of the other things that it has inside. Okay, so just kind of going in, this is the inside, and so just kind of taking out all of the plasticky things and tissue paper and more tissue paper. I just want to be able to kind of show you guys just like the depth of this. And so it kind of measures around the same as the Dior book tote. I know it's black inside, but it goes super, super deep, and then it has a side zipper compartment in here, and then on the other side it just has just like two other little like compartments, and you can kind of stick some like little things in there, or your cell phone, so you don't lose it. And I will get an organizer for this one, just because I know it's dark in there. I'm gonna lose things. And then I'm just kind of detaching because it did come with a strap. So I will do like mod shots and things like that, but it comes with a leather strap, and it has the gold hardware on the clip. And so it just kind of clips on really easy, and I really like that. So you just kind of like clip them, and they have like the clips on either side, one here and one here, so that you can be hands-free with this bag if you need to, especially again traveling, going through the airport, things like that. So I will be inserting some mod shots, and I will also be showing you guys just, you know, how I put all of this stuff together so you guys can see, and some close-ups as well. So I thank you guys so much for joining me this week for a new video, and I will be back next week. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe and your notifications so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you guys next time.